Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Breakpoints, media queries, minimum width, maximum width, and more. Let's start coding. I have already created our project file, guys. We will change our background color according to our screen size. We will use media queries for this job. Let's create a style tag. We will call our media queries from here. Let's start from small devices. At media minimum width 576 pixels and body background color Rebecca purple. Let's assign medium devices. Let me copy that one. We just need to change size of width. And let's copy that one more time. That one is large desktops and value is 992. Let's change the background color green yellow. Let's change that one too, guys. And let's put another one for extra large devices. Value must be 1200 pixels. Let's say gray. And let's say I want to add a media query for extra small devices. That one must be maximum width. And let's change the color orange. And also I want to add rest of media queries for different sizes you can use in your projects. We will use in our projects too. I added rest of media queries which you can use in your projects, but I am not assigning any value for those queries. Let's have a look at quickly. Let's save it and have a look at it. Let me change size of screen. You see guys, when you change size of screen, background is changing according to your size of screen. We will use sort of breakpoints in our project. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.